Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to write JUnit test case for RESTful controller methods by using Mockito. It is not a scratch video, it is existing JUnit test case. In this video, I am checking expectations matching or not. In this video, technology is used Mockito, Data JPI, Spring Boot MEC, and this is Spring Boot application. So it is not a scratch video, right? For previous videos, this is the JUnit playlist for previous videos. This playlist link I will provide in description. So let's get started coding. First, I will explain controller method logic. Here, this is the controller method. So we are auto wiring service. See, this is the post mapping. Service will returning the string. We are returning string. So this save method, it is return type is string. Response entity of string. Request body. Or we can also call it payload. It is called as payload. Payload. We can also call it as payload. So request body also called as payload. Remember, if we go to service logic, see service in service class, we are using the auto void student repository. In student repository, calling the same method, we are passing the student object. So after saving, it will giving the student data. After that, in student, we are getting the ID. Like we are passing one message. These messages are available in application or properties files. Here, student saved successfully. This message we are passing. After that, go to service. This is student successfully saved space ID number. This is this save student method we are calling in student repository. Say here we are calling, it will returning the string. So we are returning back to same string. Class level path student, method level path save. So I will do some enhancements in this test case to HU checking expectations matching or not. To check expectations matching or not. So I'm commenting this test case. After that, copy these two lines here. So mock bin is nothing but advanced of at mock. So mock have few features, but this at mockbin have mockbin plus additional features. Remember, to do genuine test cases for Spring Boot methods, handler methods, we can also call it as handler methods. So this is method is there, right? We can also call it as handler method. So to do genuine test cases for REST controller methods or handler method, this will be usable. So let's start. So I am creating now genuine test method. Public void test save student. Every test method return type is void. Annotate with at the test control space test, right? Yeah, setting expectations are stopping, or we can also call mocking. Setting here, setting expectations. Setting expectations are stopping. So first we need to mock. See here, mock bin is there, right? We need to mock this one. Mockito dot when service class dot we are mocking same method, right? Then mockito dot any we need to pass class type is expecting student dot class. Then it will return one string message. Then return string. I am giving like message suppose done some message. Next here this is setting expectations are stopping, right? Or we can also call it as mocking the service behavior, mocking the service behavior. This is the setting expectations are done. Then you can also call actual actual method call or performing an HTTP request to create an student. This is student object, right? So actual method call. So mockmbc is there, right? Use this mockmbc dot perform. See, perform a request and return a type that allows chaining further actions. Chaining is nothing but this perform is there, right? After dot some another method, dot another method is called chaining. So here we need to use, here we are using mockmbc request builders. So that is a static method, mockmbc request builders, mockmbc request builders dot. This is the post call. Here student controller. This is post mapping. We need to pass the path. Here we need to pass the path. While passing path, need to add both class level and method level path. Class level and method level path. So I am taking string path is equal to, let me check class level path slash student slash save, method level path slash save. So here class student slash save this path, copy this, paste here, remove this double quote, paste here, path. This is it done. After that, content type, we need to mention content type here. So for better understand, this is the chaining, right? mockmbc.perform dot this one. After this, I am adding like this for better understanding on content type. It is expecting media type. So I need to pass media type dot application underscore JSON. Application underscore JSON. This is done, right? After that, we need to pass the content. So dot share content is expecting byte one is there, string one is there. I am choosing string one. So go to this one, our call. So this is the request data. This is the request data, right? Control C, open notepad, maximize, arrange this into single line. If less fields are there, you can arrange like this. We need to pass body. Here, this is content is nothing but go to student controller. This is request body is there, right? Or payload is there, right? This payload expecting here in the form of JSON. It is expecting content means request body or payload in the form of JSON. So you can control V. See slashes automatically added. Either you can give like entire path, this entire object, like in student object, four fields are there, like ID, name, branch, email. So and you can give like this entire JSON, or you can just give object. This open bracket, closed bracket is nothing but JSON object, like in core Java. So while creating object in core Java, see I am adding here. So while creating object in Java, like suppose student object is a student equal to new student, like this we are mentioning, right? After that, like this, right? By using new operator, like to create to create to create object in JSON, we need to use open bracket, closed bracket. Is nothing but open bracket, closed bracket is nothing but object in JSON. Remember, so I am passing student object, student empty object. So this is done. Semicolon. It will return here. What it will return? It is expecting throws declaration. Here, throws. It is expecting throws exception. You can also, if you want, you can take try catch block as well. See, it will returning the content. It will returning the mock HTTP service request builder. That means so result actions. It will return the result actions, result actions response. Control Shift O. Now arrange the in pretty format. See here, this is look like a pretty format. Yeah, this is like a pretty format, right? This is the done. After that, SSN the response expectations. SSNs SSN the response expectations expectations SSN the response expectations here. So response dot see undo and expect and expector. So I am choosing and expect. We need to pass here mock MVC result matcher, mock MVC, mock MVC result matchers. After that, now I want to check status post. Status. So dot is if you are using is we need to pass status code. We can also take like see previous video we are using 201, nothing but created. We can also take like is created. See our controller logic we are using created, right? So same I am taking here. This is the one I asset condition. We are checking the status matching or not. After that, another checking I am doing and expect same mock MSA result matcher dot content. This method like this one path, right? Slash student slash save. DJ post method is returning the string. This content matching or not. So we are mock done. So this controller method will call the service method. Service method will giving the done message. So we are checking it is expected or not. So content right dot here string is there, right? Use string. After that use core matches core matches dot equal method is there equal to here saying done right. Take one field string expected equal to done. String expected equal to done. Copy, remove this here, paste. Next, go to here, same paste expected. If you want to like now check also you can do Control C. SSNs dot asset not null SSN dot asset not null response. Control S. So our controller for these controllers, this is a save operation, right? JNU test cases are done. Some enhancements I am completed here. Now I am checking. So checking expectation matching or not. I will run this, and after that, once successfully this task is completed, executed, I will do some mistakes and I will show which kind of errors are raising for which mistake. So JNU test case, it is running. Wait some time. If it is successfully run, we will get here tick mark. Here green color, that means successfully executed. Successfully executed. See, this is the open parenthesis, closed parenthesis, nothing but request body. In controller, we are passing request body, right? See, this is request body, right? So we are passing in open parenthesis, closed parenthesis, nothing but in JSON, one object here. This is a student object. What will happen if we will not pass anything? I'm giving null. So it is not accepting. So suppose I'm giving empty as a content or request body. JNU test cases. Now I am running. Let's see what it will happen. It will be successfully completed. This test case or it will be failed. So I'm giving request body as empty. So we are getting 400 bad request. See, status expected 201 but was 400. So for post request, if body is there, need to be passed. So I am again added body. Let's see now it will be success or not. JNU test case. Now I am running JNU test case. So while doing JNU test cases for post mapping, request body or payload is mandatory. See here. Now test case is passed. Now this is the class level path is there, right? Method level path. So I just pass only method level path and it will be working or not. See, now I am removing. Just this is the method level path. It will be working or not. If not working, which kind of error I am getting. Let's verify. These are the permutations and combinations I am checking for this save operation test case. So let's verify. So I am just only passing method level path. See here, we are getting 404. 404. That means not found. Expected 201 but found, but was 404 because of not found. Then add the class student. While doing GNU test cases for controller methods by using mock MVC, when you mandatory to pass class level path and method level path and content. Content is nothing but request body, and we need to pass here. We need to pass content type, media type dot application underscore JSON. If I will comment content type, it will be accepted or not. Let's see. I'm commented content type. It is working or not. Let's verify. Run as JNU. So we are calling perform method. It will call China method. So it is calling post method or post request. After that, we are passing content type. After that, content type. After passing content type. Here 515 415. It is giving 415. So it is not accepting. See, it is not supported. Content type application. This one is not supported. So content type is mandatory. Content type is mandatory. After that, request body. This is request body is mandatory. Here path is nothing but this one. Class level path, method level path mandatory. Request type, get mapping, post mapping. This is mandatory. After that, these are the validations. In post line, I am validating the status matching or not. If it is matching, after that, I am validating the content. So this same method is returning one string. So I am just so validated one string. If any method is returning student, then I can validate each and every field by using JSON path. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel where successfully checked expectations matching or not. I will commit this code changes to GitHub repository. So minimize, minimize. Here student app, right click, properties. This Git link, Git repo link I will provide in description, and JNU playlist link I will provide in description. CMD. So Git status. Two files are changed, student controller and student controller test. Git add dot or star. I'm using dot. Git commit -m. So if any Jira ticket is there, add here. I don't have any Jira tickets for this, so I'm adding today date as Jira ticket 06/08/2024. So JUnit test case checking ex expectations matching or not. Expectations matching or not. After that, git push. So one successfully, yeah, it is successfully pushed. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube.